It is me, Mahmoud Al Agha, the coordinator of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan in the southern of Gaza City. Israeli occupation destruction, Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan construction. In continuation of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan efforts and support, today we are visiting a new family and they are suffering because there is no tent to be safe inside. Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan give them a tent to protect them from the cold weather. All of our thanks to Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan and the donors of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan about their efforts and donation.
شكرا لخدمة فونديشن الباكستانية